Hi guys, in today's lesson, I will teach you on how to make and create subscription button at the lower right portion of your screen. But before we proceed, let's go to Google and search for the YouTube icon. Let's try this one on your left. Save it to your desktop, name it YouTube icon. After downloading, go to Photoshop, create a new composition, type 400 by 400 pixels, resolution around 100. Drag the icon move it a little bit on top of your composition. Type subscribe. Put it on the center. Let's make this 45. And save this to your desktop. Subscribe button. Now that we're ready, let's go now to our YouTube channel. Go to your YouTube studio. Go to your settings. Click channel. And you can see here branding. And there, you can either replace or remove your current button. For you to see, I will replace my button. So, replace. There. And don't forget to save. Okay, let's try it on our video. Let's play one of this to see the small icon. And there you have it. You can now see the small subscribe button on the right bottom of your screen. Thank you for watching.